All right, so here's a tutorial on how to make a Google form. So from your Launchpad and class link, you're going to go to your Google Drive. So click on your Google Drive, and it's going to take you there. From there, okay, once in your Google Drive, from here, you want to click on New. Then you want to click on once it opens up, you want to click on Google Forms. Oh, it's being funny on me. New Google Forms. Then it's going to open up a new tab. From here, you want a title. First thing you want to do is right here where it says Untitled Form. You want to give it a title. So whatever, mine's going to be my store front project. Oh, it's being funny, isn't it? So let's try it again. Store front project, and then put a slash and then put your name so I know whose it is. I'm going to put Mrs. Holguin. Then here where it says add question, you can add your question. Notice it automatically changed the title here. So now my question is going to be, what is your favorite ice cream flavor? So you want to put down your question. And then here where it says options, you want to put down your choices. Okay, and notice here there's different ones we could do, but we want to do multiple choice because we wanted to pick only one. So I'm going to leave it as multiple choice. Here I'm going to put my options, vanilla. The next one I'm going to click down here, chocolate, click down here, strawberry, keep adding, mint chip. I'm going to add cookies and cream. Then you're done. So that's how you do it. And there's a couple of options. So if you don't want it, the default is purple. If you don't want purple, right here we see the color palette, customize theme. You can come here. You can choose an image. It's going to open up another window. And there's work and school, illustrations, birthday, food and dining, party, just kids, upload if you have your own photo that you want to upload. I'm going to go to food and dining. I'm going to see if I have anything with ice cream on it. Oh, let's see. I'm looking one, which, oh, here's ice cream. I'm going to pick that one. Then I'm going to click insert. And then it's going to pop open. If I want that color, I might want green. I'm going to change mine to green. And then I'm done. I'm going to exit out of here. And I'm done. And for the future, if you want to add more questions, the plus sign adds a question. This one, you can import a question from someplace else, but we wouldn't be doing that. Here's if you want to add a title. Here's if you want to add a picture. Here's if you want to add a video. And here's if you want to add a section so it has a question on a different view, like the escape room. That would be in sections that we did. Okay, and that's how you do it. Then if you want to see what it looks like, this little eye, you can preview it to see what it would look like for someone else. And then this is what it would look like. Okay, then to send it, right here where it says send, you want to click on send. Then here where it says to, you would type in the names of the people. So for example, if I was going to send it to Gloria, I would start typing in Gloria's name, Gloria, and she would come up. She's right here. I would click on it, and there she is. And remember, you need to send it out to 10 people. So then let's say I was going to send it out to George, and here's George's email. So you need to send it out to 10 people, only 10. Then when you're done, you would click on send. I'm not going to click send because I'm not going to send it out to anyone. Okay, so that's how you would do it. Good. Have fun making it.